Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Kevin. Well, this week we're actually baking, and this is courtesy of Catherine's Plates, one of her recipes on her YouTube channel, or you can also go to her website, and you'll be able to see that in the description down below. So make sure you go check her website and her videos out. She's got a lot of good recipes, and we've been starting to go there and getting recipes. So,
Yep.
And this is kind of a shout out for Catherine's Plate as well. So what are we doing? We are doing koolaid pie. Yeah. So Catherine actually sent these to us from the States because we have a hard time getting them. We just got to be able to find them because, well,
Specialty stores really is all we
for
can.
the package. Can you not get the container? No, I can't even get the container.
I don't know if you can get the
Anyway,
containers
well,
anymore.
We
I don't
haven't
know.
bought them for so long because kids never liked them anyways.
Mm-mm.
So we are gonna have strawberries. She made, I think it was black cherry in hers. We're gonna do strawberries. So what do you need? Package of Kool-Aid, Cool Whip, and sweetened condensed milk. Now this is a 300 milliliter, which I believe is close to the 14 ounce for the States. Yeah. So, but the biggest thing that we need is a graham cracker pie crust. Now, I went to the store today looking for one. Dummy me, looking in the wrong place for the graham cracker pie. I'm going to the frozen section looking where the normal pie crusts are. And I probably would have found them on the shelf, probably right near where I found the honey graham crumbs. Well, that's it. So now I have to gotta make a pie crust. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a pie crust. So a graham cracker crumb. So it's gonna be a cup and a half of graham crumbs, 1/3 cup white sugar, 6 tablespoons melted butter. We're gonna mix it all together, and then we're gonna press it into this 9-inch plate. I don't have my glasses on.
They're sitting right in front of me.
I know they are. Yeah. They are. Okay.
Brody, you need to help Daddy.
Close enough for gum not work it. There we go. Hopefully everybody's counting with me because I lost count.
Brody's like, I'll check it out, Dad.
That's okay. I think I figured it out.
Brody, everybody's amazed at how high you jump.
Yeah. Alright. So, we throw that in the microwave. I just cleaned my microwave yesterday.
Yeah, this is supposed to be a no-bake dessert.
Well, you're right. So, folks, it is a no-bake dessert. So make sure you look in the right spot in the grocery store to find the ingredients.
Well, you've never had to buy one before.
I think I have, and then I remember that's why I clued in,
Yeah.
right? That I had to, yeah. So I need, let's do our, how much sugar here did we say? 1/3 cup sugar.
Friends of ours are coming over. A friend of mine is coming over tomorrow. And I told her she had to be our guinea pig to try this. I showed Hannah the recipe, and she's like, "Ew, I hate Kool-Aid." I'm like, well, you're not going to be drinking it.
Well, that's... that is true. Okay, she's that one.
Well, I think the reason that Hannah hated it was because we only ever let the kids have it when we were camping. That was their treat when we were camping.
Yeah.
And Janelle and Brittany, they liked it when we were camping. But then we stopped camping when Hannah got old enough to have it.
Yeah. Do this so I don't make a huge mess. Everybody knows I love to make messes. Butter.
I think the easiest thing that I've noticed doing this is if you do it with a fork.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it with a fork.
What's Daddy doing, bro? Making some yummy stuff.
Oh, made a mess. Oh, I gotta taste it.
Oh.
I just want to make sure that everything at the bottom gets mixed up. Throw some gloves on to press it in.
I was gonna say wash your hands before you start pressing
No,
it
I
in.
don't. Yeah. So I think that is mixed.
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. I prefer just to put gloves on so my hands don't get. I got it.
Aw, you being a big boy, sitting over there. Say hi, everybody.
Things falling out. So if I haven't told everybody, the oven gets preheated to 375. And I love these gloves. They're multi-purpose. Get them at Costco. And I don't know how much they are in the States, but up here they're only $10 a box. And you get like 150.
Let's see if he knows how to make a pie shell. Just dump it in. You gotta go up the edges.
I know I do. That's why I didn't want to pour it all in.
Yeah, just dump it in.
I think we got more than what we need.
That's because we don't have deep dish, so, you know, like, just press it in.
You can't just press it in when you got too much.
Just press it in.
Okay, commentator. I will form the edges first and then, well, I mean, it'll harden up once we...
Well, like, you know, I was told that I need to be quiet.
I was thinking, where was that person all my life?
We've gotten a lot of new subscribers lately.
Yeah.
So thank you very, very much
Yeah.
for your support.
But we're not getting high tech with video recording, that's for sure, like a lot of people do.
No, we're having fun.
Yeah.
We're having fun.
We just like to do this, you know.
We've met some amazing friends.
Yeah. I think a lot of it's just people and see what life's like after kids.
Yeah.
Well, except for, dogs.
We've made a lot of amazing friends.
Yeah.
But I won't start naming them because I'll leave somebody out, and I don't want to do that.
Aside from making a mess here, I think
that looks amazing.
Yeah, I don't really want to add too much more.
No.
We need enough to...
Yep. And then how long do we bake it for?
I believe you said 7 minutes.
Yep.
And then we take it out and it's got to cool down for an hour. So here we go. We're going to pop it in the oven. There we go. In the oven for 7 minutes. When it's done, we're going to take it out. We got to let it cool for an hour. So we're going to bring you back once it's cooled down and we're ready to put that filling into the pie crust. All right, pie shell is done. Cooked it for 7 minutes in the fridge. Waited about an hour. It's nice and there you go. So first thing we got to do, our can of sweetness, evaporated sweetened milk. What's it called? Sweetened condensed milk.
That's the word.
Yeah.
I think that's the same stuff that you make fudge with.
Yeah. Okay. Gonna get my smaller one out. So, Catherine's theirs could have been a little bit bigger, but I'm not gonna sit here and try and judge another.
Size-wise?
Yeah.
No. We'll use what we use. Can always make another pie shell and make another one.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, then take the Kool-Aid. Now we're gonna mix it. Kool-Aid in with the condensed sweet milk.
I'm not a fan of Cool Whip, but a lot of times I will eat it when it's mixed with something.
Yeah.
And like last night, the cake that Rochelle made me had it, but it was mixed with cherries and stuff, and it was fine. Like I really enjoyed it.
All right. Now it says 8 ounces here, but I believe when I seen Catherine, it looked like she pretty well added the whole thing.
Well, just add the whole thing, and we can make another shell if we need to.
Or just, I don't know. Here, I'll just scoop some in.
And you're letting this chill overnight, eh? So we're not gonna eat
so originally you let it chill for 4 hours, but obviously, we're not gonna. I'm not gonna put it in and wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning to.
Yeah. And that's okay because we're having a friend over tomorrow, so we'll just have it tomorrow night.
Well, and you want it to set. Oh, it's already setting.
And we forgot to buy strawberries to decorate it with, so we're gonna get those tomorrow too.
Yeah. All right.
Look at that. Oh, the rest of this we can put in a piping bag and I can pipe on it.
Because I know that she did that.
Yep.
Just kind
Look at that.
of push it down.
And lick your fingers.
Yeah. Now, the one she had, she did it even because she had a lid,
Right.
but
And you just put it around. Now you can pile it up. Who cares?
there. So I'm not even going to try and squeeze the rest of it in. All right. That is it. And then, ready to serve this. We'll bring you back. Because we're going to put a little bit of Cool Whip on strawberries. Okay? So.
That'll be tomorrow night.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. It's the next day. It's done. It's a little time. Okay.
And we have a guinea pig. My friend Jen that was in the videos a while back.
What do you?
Oh, I'll be quite happy being a guinea pig here by the looks of
Ooh, don't be cutting yourself, Kevin.
Well, it's just I don't know if I'm getting through that green.
Getting through, yeah.
Okay.
There you go. I think you're through there. Brody's like, oh, that's fine.
So I don't know how that crust is going to turn out.
First piece is always tough to get out too.
Yeah. Well, I asked somebody, should I grease the pan? No, there's butter in that thing, so I don't think you
Have
do.
to.
No.
Shouldn't have to.
Well,
You just
Was
made
it in the freezer?
no, in the
No,
fridge.
fridge.
Okay.
But it should still just.
Pop out.
You're not all the way down.
I know I'm not.
Would you like me to help?
Because I can't get it all the way
Would
down.
you like me to help?
You go ahead.
Commercial break.
Here. Hey.
Do you want me to hold it?
Here. You go ahead.
Is it a baked crust? Or just
Oh.
Yeah.
No, lift it. No. Lift it. No, Kelly.
Kevin,
I was going to say lift it
Okay.
up and then.
you're
cut it.
filming, you know.
then the whole pie's gonna come out at once. There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
See, your wife knows what she's talking
There
about.
you go.
All right.
Okay. Some cool. Some about.
Ooh, so fancy. Looks good.
No, it was supposed to be fancy. I offered to pipe it on.
Oh,
There you go.
That
All right.
looks pretty
You
darn
can't
good,
pipe it on
I'd
because
say.
that's what would happen. You
Yeah.
There you go. Look at that.
You just end up.
All right.
I was thinking this would be a nice summer dessert too.
Yeah, no
Really
kidding,
nice
eh?
And fresh and
Take a bite. Let us know what it's like.
It looks really good.
Is it?
That's really good.
All right.
Wow. That is really good. So creamy.
Dude, you are going to get clipped.
You want to say hi, Brody?
Definitely gonna have to make this.
Our friend Catherine, that we get a lot of our recipes from. Yeah, she's an amazing cook.
You don't want it.
I don't want the whip topping, no.
There.
All right, there we go.
It's similar to the Jello one my mom used to make, but hers didn't have condensed milk in it. Yeah. I think it was just Cool Whip, cream cheese, and Jello powder.
Yeah,
See how that one come out easy.
yeah, because you got it out a little bit more.
That's super good.
All right. And Jen brought me cupcakes. Look at that.
That's why I'm only having
No
little
shortage
piece.
of dessert.
Nope. All
What
right.
kind of cake did you have on your birthday? Your actual birthday?
It was a cherry.
There.
Cherry chip?
Yeah, with cherries and whipped topping.
Yeah.
Sharissa's favorite.
All right, come on, give it a try.
Well,
Yummy.
yeah.
Cool.
That's really good.
Okay, now you can stop eating and say goodbye to your friends.
Okay. Bye. See you next time.